5 dog houses you can get from Amazon. Number 1. 28-inch doghouse indoor-outdoor pet kennel with air vents and elevated floor ventilate waterproof plastic doghouse, easy to assemble. Number 2. PetMate Indigo Doghouse Igloo Doghouse, made in USA with 90% recycled materials, all-weather protection pet shelter for large dogs 50 to 90 pounds. Number 3. PetMate Precision Extreme Outback Log Cabin Doghouse, large natural wood. Number 4. PetMate Husky Doghouse for dogs up to 90 pounds, gray. Number 5. Ahut 59LX63, 5WX39, 25H Wood Large Doghouse Cabin Style Elevated Pet Shelter W or Porch Deck Natural. Subscribe to see more items. Links to items in this video are in the description. Thanks for watching.